Hello and welcome back to Devotion to Writing, a channel devoted to helping you overcome writer's block, move from fear to flow, and step out of doubt and into confidence so you can awaken creatively through writing. You know, writing is not as hard as you imagine. Writer's block isn't that you don't have anything to write. It's that your mind is in your way. It thinks there is something in the way. It thinks that there is nothing to write about. It thinks that anything you write is bad or isn't a good idea. Usually this doubt, I should say, usually this thinking is your doubt or fear, and not a lack of anything to write about, because in fact, there's everything to write about. So in order to move through any block that you might feel to break through, you simply have to allow yourself to write and to write anything. Maybe it would help you to know that all you need to write is already in you. It's not necessarily outside of you. It's more of an opening, an allowing yourself. And this is what I want to talk about in this video, this wisdom that is already in us. So, in fact, there is already in us everything that we want to say, that we want to write about, all of the memories, the stories, the images, the poetry, the music. It's all in us. It's ancient and primordial. It exists. We just have to grow our roots down to this substratum within ourselves and tap that which is always there, which is always right there. And sometimes that growing down those roots means we have to get quiet enough and still enough and bring our attention here to the page in order to access it. Writing grows roots. Silence, our stillness, the contemplation, these lead inward and down. And most of our lives, we've been taught to seek outside of us. We've been taught to look out into the world, to the external, for our acknowledgement, for knowledge itself, for learning, for wisdom, to attain things, for our happiness, our enjoyment. But happiness and joy is eternally our primordial self. It's in us already. It's there. It's not outside of us. And the same with our writing, with our creativity, with the things that we're seeking to write about. They're already here in us, ready, waiting. This is a perfection, a beauty that is seeing through us, that is speaking through us, that is acting through us when we are conscious of it. It is not that which it is not the ego self, it is not the mind, it is that beyond these things. And writing is, as I mentioned, a way of sending roots towards this beauty that you are, of digging deep in the ancient loam of yourself and absorbing the quiet nutrients, the sustenance from the creative ground you are. And then drawing up these nutrients, drawing up this sustenance through your body, through your mind, and flowering it as your natural expression. And as writing, this will come out as what you're drawn to, what you want to write about, the music in you, the rhythms, the images, the memories. These are all, in a sense, the flowering or the expression of what lives in you, what you are, what you live with, and what wants to manifest into the world. We flower not in order to demonstrate, not for praise or to show off, but simply as a natural outgrowth and a consequence of our reaching and becoming what we truly are. And this is what devotion does. It is that it is a path to, or sending the roots down to what we truly are. This is when we devote ourselves to writing, or to anything really. devoting ourselves, bringing our care, our attention, our love to that thing, we are able then to relate to, have a relationship with, access this, as I mentioned, this nourishment, this sustenance, this joy, this abundance that we are. Creators is what we are, and writing is one way that we get to express these desires that we have in us, the aliveness that is us, the aliveness. The aliveness. It is a way of feeling alive. Sending these roots down in our writing is a way to feel ourselves standing alive. So, I wonder, it is this distortion that happens, this, when I talk about the mental, the blocking, it's the illusion that we have nothing to say, that we don't have anything to create with. And I wonder why we tamp this creative energy down, and why we cut it off, and why we want to play small and not flower, when inevitably we are flowering if we just allow ourselves. We are here to grow, and writing and creating and devotion grow you. Your practice, your writing practice, your loving practice, your caring practice, whatever it is you're devoting your attention to, will grow you. So I invite you to sit today and write. Write into the soil of yourself. Get your hands dirty with the words. Get close to the ancient silence in you, and from which language and images and desires and joy and wisdom springs. Writing is rooting into that substratum of wisdom, of energy, of creation that is in you. So let's root today, right now. I invite you to get your notebook or sit at your computer and open up a new document, blank document. You could even do this on your phone. Settle in front of that blank page, and for a few moments, just get present here. Feel yourself rooting. Feel your attention coming here now. Whatever comes, then let it come. And don't reject any thought or image or memory or feeling. I mean, why should you judge any of this? This is where the mind comes in and starts to block us. Writing isn't about perfection, but about noticing and opening. The first phase of writing is rooting. And then we can recall the understanding, the intuition, the wisdom, experience, and the power in the vast earth of us. So right now, right into this earth. What is at your root? That's a question you can answer in writing. What is at your root? Or what are your roots? And if you need a prompt, write those. Or you can write anything that comes to you. Again, don't cut these things off. That's when you get blocked. So I hope that's useful. Thinking about yourself writing into that substratum that you already are, that wisdom that is always there in you, that creative energy that is always with you. If you'd like to explore writing with me, if you'd like to explore rooting into your writing more deeply, I want you to know that I'm leading a 12-week online writing journey beginning in January. You can visit devotiontowriting.com for details, more details on when that's happening and the cost, and you can also register. You can also find out about my other workshops there and my residencies and retreats that I lead to help you cultivate a devoted writing practice. So I hope you write deeply today. As always, I know that if you do write, you will write beautifully, because beautiful is what you are. And if you want to share with me anything that you've written, please feel free to put that in the comments, or go to devotiontowriting.com and you can contact me there. Also, please subscribe to this video if you liked it. Share it with a friend who needs some creative motivation or inspiration today. Again, I hope you write deeply today, and blessings.